Okay guys, so here is a MacBook M4, 14 inches, 1 terabyte of storage, 16 GB of memory and M4 chip. So we're gonna unbox this right away. So first we should open this chip. I'll pick this here and then this chip. Okay, we open the box now. Here we go. So we have a laptop, which is MacBook M4, and then we have a charger cable, and this is a new MacBook with a new plugin and Type C to make charging. And then we have a booklet. In booklet, so we have just manuals, nothing else. Take this and place it here. And then we have a charger along with the adapter. So how are we gonna plug this? Like this. Okay, we'll figure it out. And then here's the charger. So this is our new MacBook M4, 14 inches. Let's unbox this. There we go. As you can see, this is in silver color, and this is the size of the thickness. These are the ports: one HDMI, one C type, and one for card. And here it has two C type and one for charging and one for headphone jack. So here we will open this. Here we go. We have 14 inches of LCD. We will have this. Okay. Here we can see this is with new chip. This removed. This is the display. And let's go, and we can go with the language.